Foundation along with Mondelez for giving this entire facility worth 10 lakhs to the citizens of Mapsa. It is not only for me but for all of you all. Please come and have a look at it. It's a very simple yet functional facility. लोकांक एक opportunity असा इथून येऊन पोवपाक wherever there is no driveways, you don't know what to do with the driveways, please come and deposit it here. From here it will go to our material recovery facility located in Kucheli. I think a good initiative by this organization under CSR for the benefit of Mapsa. So again, a big thank you to Gaurav, Kenneth, Chinmay, everybody that has been working tirelessly along with the team from Mondelez who have contributed to help set this entire structure up. Again, a big thank you to all of you. Anybody can come and anyway people come to Mapsa from neighboring areas. You are also from a neighboring constituency. You are most welcome to come and deposit. And I'm using the right way, deposit, because it's done in a very nice way. There is a ramp that you can come up. You can, if you are bringing it in some form, because steps been kadpachi garaz na, you can climb up and deposit it here. And I think the system is very, very future-proof. I've seen systems like this in foreign countries, wherein you segregate and you just deposit it yourself. But here, I believe there will be somebody who will be here throughout, so that it creates a good system, at least in the initial phases, so that people understand. System bring it, you can bring it all together, segregate it here also if required. And I think we've started with one, so let's see how we can go ahead. Yes.
So is it the first of this thing?
Yes, it's the first of its kind in Mapsa, and we hope to have more in at least the key spots where we can see a lot of movement taking place. So that will help the collection of waste that we have been facing issues with. I think the department, the Pollution Control Board also has been monitoring what we've been doing. So I think it's a good start. Chairperson Mrs. Priya Mishal is committed to making sure that Mapsa stays clean. We are working towards our outsourcing plan. We had a meeting with the Directorate of Municipal Administration yesterday, along with Chief Officer and various other important heads of the municipality. And we are trying to figure out how best we can do it as soon as possible, so that we completely settle the garbage issue that we have.
Initiative which is taken by municipality, Council of Mapsa, along with the MLA, Honorable MLA and Deputy Speaker. But एक सांगपा सोदता हांव ह्या वेळार की main important is just saying doesn't help. We should all come together. And everybody role has to play. As a pollution control board, they have to only give directives. Only directive doesn't stop. So they have taken an initiative wherein the Mondelez approach us along with Anubhuti Foundation to do something good in Goa. And then we approached Municipal Council, also Honorable MLA, and they were supportive. So all three have come together. A company who doesn't have much interest here, Anubhuti Foundation outside, MLA and municipality can come together and make the work start. And that is only garbage problem, which is a major problem, can be solved. Here हांव सगळ्यांक अपील करता, जशें ऑनरेबल MLAन केलें तशें, की हांगा आतां लोकांनी सपोर्ट करपा जाय आमकां. आमचें काम आमी केलां. लोक येवन तर परत तशें भायर उडोवपाक लागले, आमकां एनवायरमेंटाक त्रास जातलो, लोकांकूय त्रास जातलो. सो हें एक ओकेजन अशें आसा की मेन बाजाराक ही जी फॅसिलिटी क्रिएट केल्या ताजो सगळ्यांनी लाभ घेवचो, आनी तो घेता आसतना आमकां सगळ्यांक सपोर्ट करचें. हातूंत पळय जाल्यार मेजर प्लेयर कोण उरल्या, लोक. कम्युनिटी तुमी जो प्रश्न विचारलो तसो ऑनरेबल कोणूय येवन हांगा घालचें आनी दवरचें.
It's not restricted to Mapsa.
No Mapsa, that is one. And that, not only that, you should replicate in other places. So that will be useful. I look forward for similar cooperation, which we have already had from them. Mondelez also companies here, and they have been very, very keen to support. In fact, they are committed for next 5 years. So that is one thing. I thank them for coming forward. Anubhuti Foundation implementer, and more important remaining is Mapsa लोकांक अपील करता की तांणी हाजो फायदो घेवचो.